Having the premium blender is more important than you think. A powerful, reliable can make all the difference between a silky, smooth drink and a lumpy mess. No one wants to struggle with a low-quality blender. But which blender exactly meets your needs? In this video, I'll be going over the top 5 best smoothie blender options on the market. And to make things even easier, we've included the product links in the description, so be sure to check them out. Let's get started. Number 5, Hamilton Beach Power Elite. This is best budget option. We want to talk about the Hamilton Beach Power Elite, a budget-friendly blender that delivers powerful performance without breaking the bank. Unlike many competitors in this price range that struggle with ice and tough ingredients, this one packs 700 watts of blending power and stainless steel ice saber blades, ensuring smooth results every time. One of its standout features is the Wave Action System, a patented technology that continuously pulls ingredients down into the blades for an ultra-smooth blend. No more chunks or uneven textures in your smoothies and milkshakes. What really sets it apart is its 40-ounce glass jar, which is dishwasher safe and built to last. Unlike plastic jars that scratch or absorb odors over time, this one stays crystal clear and easy to clean. Another user-favorite feature is its spill-proof spout. No more messy counters or dripping liquid when serving. It pours smoothly and effortlessly. Setup and operation are a breeze. With 12 blending functions controlled by 5 simple buttons, you can puree, chop, dice, or crush ice without second-guessing settings. Users also love how lightweight and compact it is, perfect for small kitchens or occasional use. Plus, the retractable cord storage makes cleanup and storage even more convenient. Compared to pricier models, this one keeps things simple without sacrificing performance. If you're looking for an affordable, efficient, and easy-to-use blender, this is a solid choice. Number 4, Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus, best for personal blender. We're moving on with the Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus, a top-notch choice if a more compact and personal blender is your priority. What sets it apart is the pack's a 900 peak watt motor, delivering exceptional blending power that effortlessly crushes ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients. Unlike many competitors that struggle with frozen items, this blender ensures smooth, chunk-free results every time. Most personal blenders focus only on power, but this one stands out with 3 20-ounce to-go cups and spill-proof spout lids. Blending and taking your drink on the go has never been easier. Compared to others that require additional accessories, this is a true grab-and-go solution. Another standout feature is the Pro Extractor Blades Assembly. These durable, sharp blades easily break down whole fruits and vegetables, extracting nutrients while maintaining smooth consistency. When compared to other compact blenders, this model truly handles tough ingredients better. The easy clean design is another big win. The cups, lids, and blades are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and effortless. One thing we love about this brand is its reliability. Users have reported using their Ninja blenders for years without losing performance. That's quality you can trust. Using this blender is effortless. It's simple to set up, easy to use, and gets the job done fast, making it perfect for busy mornings or quick snacks. Users love the power and consistency of this model. It blends smoothies in seconds, with no leaks and no hassle. Number 3, Cleanblend, most powerful blender. Next up, the Cleanblend commercial blender has established itself as the best choice for its unmatched power and versatility, and for good reason. What sets this blender apart is its massive 1800-watt motor with 3 horsepower delivering commercial-grade performance right in your kitchen. Unlike many standard blenders that struggle with thick mixtures and frozen ingredients, this one effortlessly pulverizes ice, crushes nuts, and blends fibrous vegetables into ultra-smooth consistency. The standout feature here is its multi-use functionality. This isn't just a smoothie blender. It replaces up to 9 appliances, handling everything from soups and sauces to nut butters and frozen drinks. Compared to others in its class, it ensures 0 chunks or grainy textures, giving you perfectly blended results every time. Another big advantage is the extra-large BPA-free pitcher. While many personal blenders require multiple batches for large portions, this one handles big servings in one go, making it ideal for families, meal preppers, and even commercial use in cafes or restaurants. If there's one concern, it's that the tall pitcher may not fit easily in some refrigerators. But with its high-capacity design and durable, easy-to-clean build, this is a minor trade-off for the power it delivers. Other highlights include stainless steel blades built for long-term durability and an impressive 5-year warranty, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. Number 2. Vitamix Professional-Grade Best Vitamix Blender. Up next, the Vitamix Professional-Grade stands out as the best Vitamix blender. The first thing we noticed is its variable speed control, allowing you to fine-tune the texture of your blends. Unlike many other blenders that offer just high and low settings, this model gives you total control. Whether you need a chunky salsa or a silky smoothie, you decide. Another standout feature is its hardened stainless steel blades, designed to cut through even the toughest ingredients. Many blenders struggle with fibrous greens or frozen fruits, but this one pulverizes them effortlessly, ensuring consistently smooth results every time. Users are particularly impressed with its ability to create hot soups directly in the blender. The high-speed blades generate friction heat, bringing ingredients to steaming hot in minutes, perfect for quick homemade soups without extra cookware. It's a game-changer for busy kitchens. The self-cleaning function is another big win. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, and in under a minute, the blender cleans itself. No need to disassemble or scrub, making it perfect for daily use. Need a blender for large batches? The 64-ounce container is ideal for family meals or meal prepping, eliminating the need for multiple blending rounds. Installation and maintenance are simple. It's built with a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system, ensuring durability and preventing overheating even with heavy use. Number 1. Breville Fresh and Furious. And now meet the Breville Fresh and Furious, our top pick for the best smoothie blender today. What makes this blender stand out is its even blending hemisphere performance, which ensures ingredients are consistently pushed toward the blades. Unlike standard blenders that leave chunks behind, this technology delivers ultra-smooth results every time. One user raved about how effortlessly it handled frozen fruits and leafy greens, producing creamy, restaurant-quality smoothies without the need for extra stirring. That's a big win for anyone who loves hassle-free blending. The pre-programmed one-touch versatility is another highlight. While many blenders require constant manual adjustments, this model offers automatic settings for smoothies, ice crushing, and even self-cleaning. That means less guesswork and more convenience. Another favorite among users is its quiet yet powerful motor. Many high-powered blenders can be annoyingly loud, but this one balances performance with reduced noise, so you can blend without waking up the whole house. Several users also highlighted the auto-cleaning function, which eliminates the struggle of scrubbing blades. Just add water and dish soap, and the blender cleans itself. When comparing this with other models, you'll notice that many require extra effort to remove stuck ingredients, while this one keeps everything smooth and mess-free. Also, the stainless steel blades stay sharper for longer, ensuring consistent blending power for years. For those who love precision, the LCD timer display is a fantastic addition, allowing you to track blending time for perfect results. Highly recommended.